Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I will be guiding you through how to activate your PNB debit card. In order to activate your PNB debit card online, the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in pnbindia.in and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for PNB or Punjab National Bank. Once you end up in the main homepage, you will now need to go ahead and click on this internet banking option. Select whether you'd like to log in with a retail internet banking or corporate internet banking. And once you make the selection, it'll take you to the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter the user ID associated with your online banking account. After you are done, click on the Continue button and on the next page, enter the password for your online banking account. Enter the captcha that has been displayed on the screen over here and type it down in the next field. Make sure you type it in correct. Select the language of your choice from the list and enter the area that you'd like to land in as soon as you sign in with the account. After you are done, click on Login, and soon after you are logged into your account, navigate to the debit card section and look for an option to activate your card. Now follow the instructions till the end in order to complete the activation process, and that will be able to help you with activating your PNB debit card online. You can also go ahead and click on the Contact Us button at the bottom and then call the PNB customer service helpline and follow through the instructions provided by the automated system, or speak with a representative to activate your debit card. If you don't want to do it online, you can also visit the nearest PNB ATM and insert your debit card and follow through the instructions on screen to generate your PIN. And once you set up your PIN, your debit card should be activated. So that is how you can easily activate a debit card on PNB online banking account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.